Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix EA Sports Madden NFL crashing on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look at the upper left corner of your screen and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings where we can start making some important adjustments to help resolve the crashing issue. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Downloads. This section contains various options related to how Steam handles your game downloads and cache data. Now, scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside it, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and click on it. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. Clearing your download cache removes temporary files that can sometimes cause conflicts with games and lead to crashes. Next, navigate back to the upper left corner and click on Library to view all your games. Although I don't have EA Sports Madden NFL 26 in my library list, I'll show you the next steps. Let's pretend that I have EA Sports Madden NFL 26 so you can follow along with the process. Right-click on EA Sports Madden NFL 26 in your library, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open the game's Properties window where you can adjust several important settings. Navigate to enable the Steam overlay while in-game and toggle it off. Turning off the Steam overlay can help prevent the crashing issue since it reduces the number of background processes running while your game is active. Now look for launch options. Below it, you'll see a text field. Click on it and type -DX11. This launch option forces the game to run using DirectX 11, which can improve stability and reduce crashes on certain systems. In the left panel, click on Installed Files. This section allows you to verify and repair your game files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now check all your game files and replace any that are corrupted or missing. Wait for it to finish, as this process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game. Once it's complete, restart Steam and try launching the game again. Additionally, you need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of game crashes, so make sure you download the latest drivers from your GPU manufacturer's website. After updating, restart your PC to ensure the new drivers are properly installed. Finally, right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can resolve permission-related issues that might be causing the crashes. And that's it! You've applied all the key fixes to resolve EA Sports Madden NFL crashing on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.